How to view active ads on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to view active ads on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Log into your account and tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap three line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down. Now choose Account Type and Tools under For Professionals. You might also get the option of Business or Creators section depending on what account type you have. Now hit the Branded Content Ads option, and after that you have to tap Set up Branded Content Tools. After that you will get the option for Active Ads section. You need to select that and then you'll be able to see all the ads you are running on Instagram. So that is how we can easily view active ads on Instagram. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.